C'è Cosimo Barberini e qui bruttissimo con la vettura di Ghermanti incolpevole che viene
the advantage, and off the road goes the 72 racing car, and that is a huge.
Is at once very similar to the accident of Takuma Sato, actually. Looks very similar to Takuma's accident from the Opens.
And one can only assume that Wang Zhongwei that was going into the pits there. Wow!
Tá, 25, esse azulzinho aí, ó, que vai puxando mais. Ih, rapaz, aí tem banca feia. Ai, ai, aí tem banca feia. Doutor, Aviso.
Oh, big off for the Mercedes, and that's a hard hit into the barrier as well. So where is this coming out of left field into Woodcourt, and the contactor's car to the left of Martin Berry's car, which spears him off to the left. The marshals run for safety.
Uy, vuelco de Barbara, que es Viña. Viña fuertísima. Se engancharon.
Eran de...
Y se engancha con la rueda delantera derecha de Caram.
Bueno, y un vuelco obviamente que nos asusta a todos, que es impactante.
And then she's somehow hit the front of the Ferrari. And yeah, as I thought, the gravel trappers sent her into a barrel roll. Slightly uglily bounced on the...
Now there's a target car going heavily into the barrier. Jan Seifert. We saw him going wide. He's been collected.
Coming off one of the cars. Oh man! That is a massive moment! Going in, the wheels touched and
Os comissários esportivos. A gente vai... Ó, ele perdeu a traseira, o seco. E aí, meu amigo, foi pra grama. A pista tá molhada na área de escape. Pancadão. Mas o trabalho que eficaz a equipe do seco fez na preparação desse caminhão mostrou. E aí ele tava de cabeça pra...
Oh, damage the car. And you're just a passenger as a driver at that moment.
Dear. Oh no.
Joseph, absolutely nowhere to go. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
I've never seen anything like that on the
Not at all.
The rear of Foster's was so broken, he had no control of that car. And Joseph just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Tunnel needs to try and pull back a little bit here. Oh, that's a massive. That's going to be a red.
Around goes Hadley Simpson, and around goes Cronin as well. Nick White nearly collected. Cronin's coming back into the road. It's a big shunt, an enormous pile-up down the hill. Oh, that is a big.
지금 차량 충돌이 굉장히 많이 발생합니다.
지금 발생이 되는데요.
자, 이렇게 되면 지금 빠르게
Should not. Oh, somebody's picked up something. Oh, that's Max Finn. That is Max Finn who hit that.
He's just gone, and he's oh wow, that is big. Lucky boy,
Right for Kiffin Simpson.
lucky boy.
Car came back down, thankfully.
There are holes in the floors to try to prevent the cars from going air.
Carrie Miller, look at this one. Fast break from that side. Oh, we're rolling over we go.
but behind this unsighted, everyone's coming out of turn 3 at full speed.
Crash, you can see Waterstorm nearly just side by side contact. Oh wow, okay, that was pretty quick. So nobody's gone that hard in, and that if you're new to motorsport, that will
look down to the inside of what is turn number 1. That's close, almost contact, and now we've got a car up and over on its lid, settling back down on the.
这边看到56号赛车和14号赛车之间是发生了一个碰撞，是在进入到16号弯之前。
Ancora quello di Nicolas Taylor e attenzione, bruttissimo, questo è veramente un bruttissimo incidente. Ah, tamburello, quindi nel punto più veloce.
Alla fine del dritto.
Sì. C'era Bartosciuk che era completamente
Zanin
sull'erba.
passeggero.
Zanin non ha...
Tremenda piña de Gastaldi, sí, Luis Gastaldi. Tremendo golpe, mirá dónde quedó. Allá en la...
连续的弯道。我觉得很有可能是7号弯的这个 spin。我们看คนกับเปเปอร์ครับเปเปอร์เข้ากับเดียวครับโอ้โหเนี่ยคุณผู้ชมเห็นอย่างว่าทำไมเราถึงบอกว่าอย่ายืนตรงนั้น
Wieder ein bisschen raus, gibt den Motor ein bisschen Kühlung. Wir sind ja hier mit 1 Liter Aggregaten unterwegs. Das geht hoffentlich gut. Das müsste die 95 gewesen.
We have a very strong big contact in the background there. The speed car hits from the other Borsa Automotive into the middle of the track, capturing left and right, and some cars doing an amazing job. But then in Constantina's up. That was the impact we saw. Then another one. So that Audi's been hit 3 times in the space of 200 meters.
Just up ahead. Look at this, 3 abreast as Alex Ryman manages Joe Warhurst, and he's over Joe Warhurst into the barrier. Massive. See him in Porsche Croker.
Different even from Armstrong. Armstrong had the scrapes down the track. We're reminded again of the safety improvements of this Dallara in particular.
But that was a mighty. See the driver's door flying off. So he was fighting with Ahmed.
To see the incident. Oh my goodness! He's got a long way in. Oh my word! That's one of the most ferocious accidents to Everton Cardoso's car. That went in hard, and there it.
Batido o toque e a batida muito forte. Bandeira vermelha, a batida muito forte. O bom é que se porventura pudesse ter pouquinho.
When you watch it in real speed, it takes your breath away just watching it. And guys, the thing that we'd be remiss without saying at this point, right before the sound of the impact, he did a 230.
Did he go upside down there? Oh, it did! Rolled the car over. That is absolutely...
It just tips the car up and the momentum takes it over and it rolls over.
Backside view, big speed. He rolls around the barrier and is...
오버스티어가 났네요.
거의 한 바퀴를 돌면서 이렇게 뒤집히게 된 거군요.
E ali a batida muito forte a batida.
2 settori adesso bruttissimo questo incidente, si sono agganciati azione, devo dire che qui forse Esposito ha un pelino esagerato, perché in quel punto ad una velocità molto
terrible vuelo. Fuerte vuelo. Los pilotos, ahí lo vemos,
Segura, Peter, ali o toque, e vai dando aquela rampada, vai capotando agora o Henrique Basso.
No carro, tudo bem com o piloto.
Carrera tiene 5 vueltas. ¡Ay, Martín! ¡Uy, cómo salió! Me parece que lo ayudaron. Bueno, tremendo vuelco de Martínez, pasó realmente por el alambre.
Some of Jack Davidson's bodywork getting cast aside. Oh, and it's a big incident. A huge incident for the 33 of June. Vai levando a melhor, pega um pouquinho de zebra, e aí tem gente rodando e já tem capote do Guicinto ali. Nossa.
Se você fechar, você vê que acabou, os 3 rodaram, o Salé, na verdade, ele ficou refém, porque ele não tinha ninguém na linha dele e fez a linha dele.
Tava tirando o pé.
And he's... Oh no!
Big move
The time on Norton there.
Oh no, he's into the wall heavily. Big contact down at turn 1. Just got loose on the edge.
Del curbón, se mete en la parte del visto cuando un auto pisa afuera, a ver si lo puede traer. Lo trae, me parece que no lo trae más. Es el auto...
Fuerte golpe la máquina.
Auto número 48, es auto bajo.
Lamborghini, number 1, Georgi Donchev, 591 the Lamborghini spins in a big accident with lots of barrier damage, car destroyed, lots of flames. You see the car spins across the other side of the road. Gabriel Rideau tried to get through the wreckage and clip the back, but Georgi Donchev out of the car in double quick time, and that is the best news of all. That shows how strong the bomb safety measures. There is the Porsche that clips it. That was the secondary impact.
Bateu a carteira do Gordinho. Olha o esquema, olha, tem gente vindo pela grama, jardinagem. O toco deste Wisconsin. Ele saiu lá daí, exatamente. Olha lá, rapaz. Acidente forte.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Giraudi, che brutto incidente con... Guardiamo, è andato a tentare di staccare, qui è Debussy che proprio... Poi è un brutto incidente.